Ah! Let go. Well, I'm not exactly sure what I've gotten myself into today because I first had to park on the road. There's really no trailhead. And then it looks to me like the first thing I'm gonna do is scramble up that. So we'll see how this works. Seems like there's some sort of path through here. Now, I'm just all paranoid about rattlesnakes, you know. And the first thing I do is say that, and then I'll find one. Well, evidently up that. Okay, let's do this. Well, I've been climbing probably a little over an hour now. I've not been making very good time. This isn't really a trail. It's like straight up the side of a cliff, and it's brushy and gross, like trying to bushwhack through all that stuff. I'm covered with soot because there was evidently a burn here a while back, and so yeah, it's been an adventuresome climb, that's for sure. And the last little push here to the top, I think, is that. So, oh my gosh, my legs are gonna be burning. But here we go. Well, I've decided this is as far as I'm going today. Didn't quite make it to the top, but it's literally another mountain scramble. And I'm gonna run out of time. So that's okay. I'm gonna have snacks here at the almost top, and I'm gonna enjoy this view. Well, a word of advice to anyone who wants to hike this trail, watch your feet. Things slide, the dirt, the rocks, the pine needles. Like, it's kind of a treacherous hike. And there's not a single part of it that's flat. So you're either scrambling up like rock shale with huge rocks, or climbing like between boulders, although the hardest part was the first climb in. That was definitely that's my fun part. This part is still fun, it's pretty, but you're definitely having to watch where you put your feet, and be prepared to slide like that and get really dirty. I am black from head to toe with ash, and I'm getting a big collection of little scratches. So, you know, watch your feet. And there's always brush. So don't wear any clothes that you don't mind getting scratched and full of holes. And be prepared to be picking things, twigs, leaves, you name it, dirt, out of your shirt, your bra, even your underwear. Let go. Unhand me. Crawling along the cliff edge. Oh. A long ways to go. What direction am I going? Oh boy. Which way, which way? I'm thinking this one. Oh, and down we go. Oh. Well, I'm pretty excited. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. One more cliff scale down, and that right there is the road. So that means that my car is right around the corner. I'm very excited about this. Well, I have made it out. I did not die. I'm a couple of scratches and deeper and full of soot and all that, but I wanted to make a quick note. Whoever does this hike, number one, that is the parking you get. Yeah, that little tiny bit. And right there, this is the trailhead. You start by climbing that. So I went by the parking spot, had to go back to town and download a map, try to figure out where the trailhead was, and I'm like, this is it. So note to self, kind of download the maps, get all trails, because at least the start of the hike is hard to find. So I'm tired. I need a shower. I need to go clean up my bloody cuts. Can't wait.